Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video. And in this video, I want to show you the ISError function. So ISError function is useful to capture if your formula or your expression is reporting an error. Also, by checking this, you can decide an alternate option. Let's say if you are using a multiple lines expression where you want to evaluate this within the if, like if it is an error, then what should be an alternate operation. So for that, first of all, identifying ISError, how you can configure it is useful. So what I'm doing over here is creating a dummy scenario to capture or to show how you can utilize or how you can configure your ISError function. All right. With that, just a quick information that if you have landed very first time on my channel, then this sheet, which is a live Google sheet, for this, the link, which is this link, is present in the description. With this link, you can come over here, search any of my previous videos or dashboards that I have produced and jump to that using the link which is present in column B. So all of these videos with the title is present. That way, your searching for the relevant video is useful. So make sure you bookmark this and use it whenever you need. And since it is a live sheet, you will always have it most up to date. Okay, with that information, let me go to the Power BI. Okay, so what do we have here is basically a simple table which is name, age, I have shown it how you can find the blank with if. Then we have sales and baseline. This is the new two columns that I have created for this. And as you can see with the name Vishal, I'm saying, okay, this is what the sales is. But let's say your table is supplying the wrong baseline, or like what should be the minimum sales. For example, let's say $1,000 or 1,000 rupees. Let's say, for example, it should be the base. So, and we want to find the percentage to the baseline, right? So in that case, if let's say we want to divide the sales by the baseline, it will going to generate an error. So in those type of a scenario, we need to basically be able to capture that and do the alternate operation. Okay. So for that, I will just show you how you can capture it by creating a new column. And we will have to simply say ISError equals to ISError. So first of all, what the basic configuration really looks like. And in case of here we need to identify the ISError used by providing the value. So in our case, the value is what? So value is sales divided by the baseline. So we will say sales divided by the baseline, right? And if I just press enter, it will return true for everything, because any value you divide by 0 will going to generate an error. If you want to see what is that error is, then I will just copy this, and I will create a new column, and I will simply say this error and paste this here. And this is what the error is. So you divide any number by 0, it returns infinity, like the infinity sign is coming. And if it is 0, you are dividing by 0, then it is saying not a number, which is also an error. So in both these cases, it is identifying that this is an error, not a true value. That's why you are getting true. Now, once you have this ISError, you can always wrap it inside the if. If it is an error, right, then what should you do? You do this. Otherwise, let's say you want to just return the sales. Okay. So with that, you will going to get whatever it is. So if it is let's say error, then wherever the output is, you are saying 0, so 0 is coming. Otherwise, if it is a normal value, it will give you the sales. That way you can handle the error using the ISError function. So that's mainly I wanted to show you how you can capture your error using the ISError function, or if you want to wrap it inside if, then you can specify the alternate operations as well. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.